Welcome to the welcome to Unit 6 Cell Reproduction Exam. You've talked about mitosis and meiosis, and now is the time for you to show me what you know. Let's read what we got going on here. So congratulations, your new job as a cell cycle lab technician for the Department of Science in Snakatoba should be exciting for you, but there is no time to wait. There's a long list of problems going on with the cell cultures that cannot be explained. You first need to show how mitosis works, but the lab didn't provide you with much to work with. So you need to use some materials that you bring from home to show how the process of mitosis in the cell cycle works. Additionally, researchers have discovered some problems with certain cell cultures performing the cell cycle. These cell cultures have been exposed to several harsh chemicals that have altered the cell cycle. You have noticed these issues but are unsure of how they will affect the cell. Your job as an intelligent researcher is to think about how these changes may affect the cell cycle and report out on them. Here's what I want you to do. Part 1, mitosis pit collage. You are going to explain mitosis by any means possible. All right, so I want you to be really clever and creative with this. I want you to find anything you can in your house. Okay, obviously within reason. All right, so be responsible as you go through this. But when I think about what I can do to show the process of mitosis, I think in string, twine, Twizzlers, using candy, sidewalk chalk. Right, go outside, enjoy some of the weather. The nice weather that you're probably having. You need to show me, using any materials that you have in your household, all 6 phases of mitosis. In order to make this, I want you to make a pit collage. And I need you to take a picture of each step and describe what's occurring in each step. So you'll snap a picture of whatever you create, tell me the phase, and then tell me what's going on in that phase. And then make a nice little pit collage of that and save that picture. All right, because you're going to upload it into a Keynote where you're going to have the second part of the assignment uploaded as well. The next part is the problems associated with mitosis. And here I want you to be detailed. You don't need to talk on this presentation or record it, but what I would like you to do is to go through and talk about, in these 6 problems, explain to me what's going on here. So in problem number 1, it says in cell 2, the DNA fails to replicate. Tell me, what problems would that be? What would happen if this scenario occurred? If the DNA failed to replicate, what would you find out? What phase of the cell cycle would the cell be stuck in? The more detail you put into your answers, the more points you're going to get. So be as detailed as possible, okay? Don't just give me a 2 or 3 word answer. Go in depth. Talk about it. Work through it, and I will help you out as best I can. All right? You go through and answer those 6 problems. Upload those questions and answers into a Keynote presentation along with your pit collage, and then submit that through Canvas as a PDF. All right? If you have any questions, let me know. We'll talk to you later.